Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can schedule posts on Threads. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your Threads app. And now let's go ahead, tap on this particular plus icon. Go ahead, write down the text, or you can add in photo, music, whatever you prefer. Then tap on this three dot on top right corner, tap on schedule. You can schedule for let's say this is the scheduled time, and then go ahead, add in the time as well. Tap on schedule, and now the post has been scheduled. You can tap on view, and here your post will be here in the draft section, which has been scheduled for Friday, September 18 at 3:09. Right, and if you want to simply remove it, tap on this three dot and tap on edit schedule. You can edit the schedule again. You can go back, and you can go back to plus icon again. Go back to the draft and tap on three dot, tap on delete, and there you go, your draft will be deleted. And that's it. That's how you can schedule a post on. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.